In this tutorial, I will show you Shear Tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's dive into this. I have already drawn a rectangle here to demonstrate Shear Tool. Shear Tool you can access from Scale Tool, then Shear Tool. And I am accessing it, Shear Tool. Shear Tool is skew objects in any direction. So Shear Tool is skewed any objects in any direction, but you need to position this crosshair to fix the point, and it will be skewed based on this point. So I am accessing this tool. You can see this is crosshair. You can place this here. First time it will easily placed here, but when next time you placed, you need to first click here, then the cursor will be changed to crosshair, then you can place this position. So I am demonstrating it again. Just click here first time, then it will be changed to crosshair, and you can reposition this center point. So after fixing the position, you can now shear this shape, skewed this shape in any direction, but this position will be fixed. It will skewed based on this position. Also, you can double click here. If you double click here, a dialog box will be popped up, and you can easily change the shear angle from here, direction, horizontal, vertical, angle, as you need. You can change this from there here. Also, if you hold down Alt from the keyboard and move this point to any of the segment of the path, then you can see this dialog box has been popped up again, and you can make necessary changes here and skewed your desired shapes or objects. So that was for this Shear Tool. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.